am Aditya from 10th standard. Our exhibit is working model of heart. This is heart. It is located in chest cavity between two lungs. Upper is broad, lower is narrow. Lower part is bent towards left side. It is made of cardiac muscles. Heart is covered by two membranes. Is called pericardium. Pericardium is filled with pericardial fluid. Let us go through internal structure of heart. Look at the internal structure of heart. Heart is divided into four chambers. Upper two chambers are auricles. Lower two chambers are ventricles. Right auricle, left auricle divides by interauricular septum. Right ventricle, left ventricle divides by interventricular septum. Left auricle opens into left ventricle through the bicuspid valve. The other name of bicuspid valve is mitral valve. Right auricle opens into right ventricle through tricuspid valve. Left ventricle opens into systemic artery through systemic valves. Right ventricle opens into pulmonary artery through pulmonary valves. Arteries are thick valves, veins are thin valves. Thank you.